The wealth explosion. Ride the next big wave. Hold on to your seats. Has to Be Rich is about to drop a bombshell that could change your financial life forever, a revelation that's been brewing in the shadows of innovation and opportunity. The wealth explosion is here, a tidal wave of opportunity crashing through the markets with unstoppable, earth-shaking force, crypto surging to dizzying new heights with every transaction, AI taking over industries with a relentless march of progress, innovative platforms rewriting the rules of income generation, and green energy igniting a sustainable gold rush that's rewriting the future. This isn't just a trend, it's a seismic shift, a financial earthquake where fortunes are forged overnight for those who act with lightning speed and unshakable, fearless courage. Imagine waking up to a bank account doubled, a portfolio tripling, all because you caught the wave at the perfect moment. I've lived that thrill, turning a risky $100 bet on an early crypto surge into a $2,000 windfall that set me on my path, and building my rock-solid $10,000 foundation by riding waves like these with precision timing. Friends have joined me, leaping from $100 to $3,000 with the right moves, their stories fueling my belief that this isn't a slow climb, it's a rocket launch to riches, a blast-off to a life of abundance. I've felt the rush, the heart-pounding excitement of seeing my investments soar, the payoff of acting when others hesitated, and now it's your turn to feel that adrenaline. This is your front-row ticket to the next big boom, whether you're a wide-eyed newbie with a burning dream of financial freedom or a seasoned player ready to level up to millionaire status with a single bold step. Get your pulse racing, your mind razor sharp, your ambition ignited like a fuse ready to blow. Let's ride this explosion together, because the treasures ahead, the millions waiting to be claimed, are reserved for those bold enough to jump in with both feet right now, no hesitation, no second guessing. Every second you delay is a dollar slipping through your fingers, a dream fading into the mist. Let's explode into action with the energy of 1,000 suns and claim what's ours. Let's blast off with a fact that'll set your heart pounding and your adrenaline surging. The world's wealth is shifting faster than a comet streaking across the sky, and the next big wave is yours to ride if you seize it with both hands and a fearless spirit. I've ridden these surges myself, turning a risky $100 bet on an early trend into a thrilling $2,000 windfall that changed my trajectory, and I've built my rock-solid $10,000 foundation by catching waves like these at the perfect moment. Friends have jumped in with me, hitting $3,000 with the right moves and the right timing, proving that this isn't a slow crawl, it's a rocket launch to riches. I've felt the rush, the excitement, the payoff of acting fast, and now it's your turn to feel it too. Get ready to dive headfirst into the hottest, most electrifying trends shaking up the financial world, because every second you wait is a dollar, a dream, a fortune left on the table. Let's explode into action with the energy of 1,000 suns. Trend 1, Crypto Gold Rush. The first wave crashing onto the shore with thunderous force is the Crypto Gold Rush, a digital treasure hunt where coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a constellation of emerging altcoins like Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot are skyrocketing to the moon, defying gravity and traditional finance with every block. This isn't just money, it's a revolution, a new frontier where early adopters strike it rich with the click of a button, a wild west of wealth where the bold reap rewards and the timid watch from the sidelines. Start with a modest yet daring $50 on a platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, where you can buy, hold, and watch your investment soar like a rocket fueled by market hype and global adoption. I jumped in during Bitcoin's early days, risking $100 on a hunch fueled by late-night research, riding its rise to a jaw-dropping $500 that taught me the intoxicating power of timing, belief in the unknown, and the thrill of a market moonshot. A friend took a calculated chance on altcoins like Cardano, hitting $600 with a single smart trade that paid off when the market flipped, their story a testament to research, guts, and the courage to act when the charts turned green. The key? Dive into the market with open eyes, research the coin's history on sites like CoinMarketCap, follow its passionate community on Twitter and Reddit, analyze its potential with tools like Glassnode, and act fast because volatility is your friend, a wild horse you can tame with skill and strategy. Watch for dips as buying opportunities, celebrate pumps as victories, and never invest what you can't afford to lose. This is a game of nerves, timing, and calculated risk. Your task: spend 20 focused minutes researching one promising coin, dig into its white paper for the tech, check its adoption rate in real-world use cases, and gauge its buzz on social media, then invest a bold $10 today to stake your claim in this digital gold mine. Set up a secure wallet like Trust Wallet, transfer funds from your bank, and make your first buy with the confidence of a prospector striking gold. Crypto is your golden ticket to this wealth explosion, a portal to riches that's open 24/7, a wave that never stops. Grab it with both hands, ride the wave to riches, and let your fortune soar to the stars. Trend 2, AI revolution. The second boom shaking the earth with a technological roar is the AI revolution, where artificial intelligence is transforming industries, powering self-driving cars, revolutionizing healthcare, and personalizing shopping, with stocks like Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, and AI-focused ETFs like ARKK blasting into orbit like spaceships. This is the tech tsunami of our time, a force that's reshaping the world, and the profits are astronomical for those who get in early, riding the crest of innovation to wealth. Invest a starting $20 in an AI fund or stock through platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity, where growth is almost guaranteed if you pick the right players. I put in $100 during an AI hype cycle sparked by a breakthrough in neural networks, watching it grow to $250 as the market soared, a lesson in betting on the future and trusting the data. A coworker invested $50 in an AI startup fund during a conference buzz, reaching $300 with patience, a keen eye on earnings reports, and a belief in the tech's potential. The strategy? Track AI news on sites like TechCrunch, identify industry leaders with strong R&D, and move quickly to catch the upswing. Volatility here is your rocket fuel. Your task: spend 25 minutes exploring an AI stock or fund, look at its performance over the past year, read analyst forecasts, and check its role in AI development. Then buy at least $5 to join the revolution today, setting up your account and executing the trade with the boldness of a pioneer. AI is the future fueling your wealth, a tidal wave of progress that lifts all who dare to surf it. Dive in, let it lift you, and watch your fortune soar. Trend 3, Platform Power. The third surge rocking the world with creative energy is platform power, where apps like TikTok, Patreon, YouTube, and Substack are turning creators into cash kings overnight, a democratized goldmine where anyone with a phone and an idea can build a fortune from scratch. This is the new economy, where content is king, and your voice or skill can generate income streams that flow like rivers of gold. Create content, short videos, stunning art, or in-depth courses, or sell products directly to a hungry audience. I started a channel sharing wealth hacks, earning a steady $200 from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links with consistent uploads and a niche focus on practical tips. A friend launched a Patreon for coding tutorials, gaining $400 by engaging a loyal audience that grew daily with live Q&As and exclusive content. Their success a blueprint for persistence. The trick? Pick a niche that sets you apart: fitness, finance, gaming, post regularly with high energy, and promote relentlessly on social media to build a following. Your task: sign up for one platform today: TikTok for viral videos, Patreon for patrons, or YouTube for long-form content. Then create and post one piece of content within the hour, even if it's a simple intro or a 30-second clip about your wealth goals. Use free tools like CapCut for editing, add a call to action, and share it. Platforms are your golden stage, a stage where your talent shines and your income explodes. Step up, claim your spotlight, and let the cash roll in. Trend 4, Green Energy Surge. The fourth wave rising fast with eco-friendly power is the green energy surge, where solar, wind, hydrogen, and battery storage stocks are heating up as the world turns green, backed by governments, corporations, and a global push for sustainability. This is the sustainable gold rush, a wave of profit with purpose, with companies like Tesla, Vestas, and Enphase leading the charge toward a cleaner, wealthier future. Start with $30 in a green energy ETF via Vanguard, BlackRock, or iShares, where diversification fuels steady growth. I invested $100 in a solar fund during a policy boost, hitting $180 as demand spiked, a move that aligned profit with my values and taught me the power of trends with momentum. A friend put $50 into wind energy stocks, earning $250 with a trend that's only gaining steam as renewable targets rise. Their story a lesson in patience and market alignment. The approach? Study renewable energy policies on government sites, pick a leader with strong fundamentals, and act. Volatility here is your green wave to ride. Your task: spend 20 minutes checking out a green energy fund or stock, look at growth trends, read about its projects, and assess its ESG rating, then invest $5 to start today, setting up your investment with the vision of a futurist. Sustainability is your wealth's green wave, a tide that lifts your fortune while healing the planet. Ride it to prosperity with pride. Explode your journey. These trends: crypto's digital gold, AI's tech tsunami, platforms' creative cash, and green energy's sustainable surge, fuel your wealth explosion with unstoppable, earth-shaking power, a symphony of opportunities that can catapult you to riches. I soared from the ashes of nothing to a triumphant $10,000 milestone by riding these waves at the right time, each trend a rocket booster to my success, a testament to action over inaction. A friend jumped in with me, hitting $6,000 with the same fearless action. Their fortune exploding with every smart move, every calculated risk that paid off. Act now without delay, without doubt. Pick one trend: crypto with its digital promise, AI with its futuristic edge, platforms with their creative gold, or green energy with its sustainable power, and invest a small amount, create a piece of content, or track a stock today to join the boom with the energy of a charging bull. Shout your ambition below with a roar that echoes through the markets. I'm riding the wealth wave to victory with Has to Be Rich. Or my fortune is exploding now, and I'm unstoppable. Let's explode into riches together, a united crew conquering the markets, rewriting our financial destinies with every bold step. Tools for the surge: arm yourself with an arsenal of tools to ride the wave with precision and power. Crypto wallets like Trust Wallet for secure storage, stock apps like Webull for real-time trades, content creators like Canva for stunning designs, and green trackers like Bloomberg Terminal or Yahoo Finance for trend insights. I used Binance to manage my crypto portfolio, earning $300 with smooth transactions and a secure setup that gave me peace of mind. A friend used Canva to craft eye-catching posts for their platform, gaining $200 from sales that skyrocketed with better visuals. Your task: choose one tool that matches your chosen trend: Trust Wallet for crypto security, Webull for AI stock trades, Canva for platform content, or Yahoo Finance for green tracking. Spend 30 focused minutes setting it up with tutorials or support, and use it today with your first action. Whether it's a wallet transfer, a trade, a post, or a trend check. Tools are your wave riding gear, your trusted companions on this explosive journey. Equip yourself, master them, and conquer the financial seas. Stay on the wave. Monitor these trends daily with hawk-like precision and the agility of a surfer. Adjust your strategy at lightning speed to stay ahead of the curve. I tracked crypto prices during a volatile week, adding $200 with timely trades that capitalized on dips and pumps. A coworker shifted their AI investments after a product launch, earning $500 from a pivot that caught the market's upswing. Your task: set a 5-minute daily check-in, perhaps every morning with your coffee or every night before bed. Start today with one trend update, using your tool to scan news, prices, or engagement. Speed and agility win this game, a dance with the market that rewards the quick and the brave. Keep surfing the crest with relentless focus. Your wealth explodes. Close your eyes and visualize your fortune erupting like a volcano spewing gold, crypto gains stacking up like coins in a vault, AI growth skyrocketing like a space shuttle, platform cash flowing like a mighty river, green profits blooming like a forest in spring. I hit the triumphant milestone of $10,000 by riding these trends with guts and glory, each wave a brick in my success story. A friend reached $6,000, their wealth a blazing inferno fueled by action and belief, a fire that still burns bright. Take one decisive step now. Invest $5 in crypto or AI, post content on a platform, track a green stock. Do it today with the boldness of a pioneer. Declare your rise below with a thunderous shout that shakes the earth. My wealth explosion is underway with Has to Be Rich. Or I'm riding the big wave to riches, and I'm fearless. Let's ride as a fearless crew, building a future that shines with explosive prosperity, a legacy carved from the waves we conquer together. If this wave hyped you to the max, sending shivers of excitement down your spine, like the video to keep the energy alive and the fire burning, subscribe for more explosive tips to fuel your journey, and hit the bell to stay locked into this transformative, world-shaking ride. Dive into 5 side hustles to boost income in the description below to turbocharge your ascent with extra fuel for the explosion. Disclaimer: this is for inspiration only, not financial advice. Results vary. Consult a professional before making decisions. This is Has to Be Rich, and together, let's explode into wealth with a force that shakes the world, a power that builds empires, and a spirit that never backs down.